Kita akan mulai video dalam 3. Bentar ya. 3, 2, 1, mulai. Ini rekaman kedua ya. Saya sudah rekaman 1 jam, tapi ternyata webcamnya mati. Sialan. Terpaksa diulang, padahal saya sudah nonton selama 52 menit. Hampir 1 jam lah. Dan saya harus ulang dari awal karena videonya webcamnya mati di pas-pas mulai begini, di menit-menit kesini. Ya, Transformers sound effect. Karena sama-sama dari Hasbro, jadi sound effectnya Transformer yang dipakai.
Everything's gonna be just
Twilight! Oh, sorry, darling, but I just realized you're not wearing your crown. You haven't forgotten it back in Ponyville, have you?
It's in my bag. Just feel a little self-conscious about wearing it. Haven't really gotten accustomed to these yet either.
Aduh, saya lupa subtitlenya.
Princess now, Twilight.
Ya belum terbiasa sih Twilight dengan sayapnya.
If I had a crown like that, I would never take it off. Why, I'd sleep in the thing.
Saya sudah sangat panas ini karena kipas angin tidak nyala. Tapi rekamannya malah rusak, coy. Webcamnya mati.
Twilight, I haven't seen you since the coronation.
We have so much to discuss, but it can wait until tomorrow.
Saya tidak bisa juga
I'm tired from your journey.
mengulang semua apa yang saya bilang di rekaman pertama tadi gitu. Karena biasanya bakalan saya lupa itu apa yang saya bilang gitu.
What's wrong, Twilight?
Ini rewatch
Well,
ya.
Spike, I'm just worried, I guess. Princess Cadance was given the Crystal Empire to rule over. What if now that I'm a princess, Celestia expects me to lead a kingdom of my own?
Ya nanti adalah kerajaannya Twilight
No,
sendiri.
it would not. Just because I have this
Spoiler
crown and
ya.
these wings, it doesn't mean I'll be a good leader.
Nah, sure you will, Twilight. But come on, you should get some shut-eye. Big day tomorrow.
Can't tuck. Ugh.
Twilight gak bener.
Trying to get comfortable.
Laki-laki juga susah ya, kalau misalnya keadilannya berdiri susah gitu. Oke, intronya ya, openingnya. Gatal banget hidungku. Saya suka ini ya, lagu openingnya. Di remix gitu, lagu opening Princess Magicnya.
I used to wonder what friendship could be, until you all shared its magic with me. Little pony, little, 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 little.
Ya, ini spoiler ya.
I used to wonder what friendship could be,
Openingnya ada spoilernya ya.
until you shared its magic with me. Little pony, little, 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 little. It's an easy feat, and magic makes it all complete and fine. Do you know you're all my very best friends?
Saya sudah capek-capek bicara, rekamannya malah rusak. Udah panas pula tuh. kalau tidak salah ingat ya, ada reaktor My Little Pony yang bilang kalau ini apa ya, keamanannya ini lemah banget ya, mudah ditembus gitu.
What?
My crown! She's got my crown! Stop! Thief!
Ya kemungkinan saya bakalan banyak diam ya. Dia rekaman kedua ini, di rekaman pertama saya banyak bicara, di rekaman kedua ini mungkin saya bakalan kebanyakan diam ya. Malas ngulang apa yang saya tadi bilang gitu. Dan biasanya ya karena ini rekaman kedua jadi ya saya agak
Sorry it had to
udah
be
malas
this way.
bicara gitu.
Princess.
Gak tahu juga apa yang mau dibilang.
Who is that?
Dan itu adalah villain kita ya di movie ini.
Sunset Shimmer, a former student of mine.
Sunset
She began
Shimmer,
her
ya.
studies with me not long before Twilight. But when she did not get what she wanted as quickly as she liked,
Salah
she
satu
turned
muridnya
cruel and
Princess Celestia
dishonest.
dulu.
I tried to help her, but she eventually decided to abandon her studies and pursue her own path, one that has sadly led her to stealing your crown.
She replaced Twilight's with this one.
I suppose Sunset Shimmer thought you wouldn't notice right away that this was not yours, and by the time you did, it would be too late to go after your crown and element of harmony.
But I don't understand. Where did she go? Where did she take the crown?
You'll soon know more about this place than even I do.
This is no ordinary mirror. It is a gateway to another world.
Iya, gerbang ke
Gateway
Isekai.
opens once every 30 moons.
30 bulan ya. Sekitar
It has always been kept in the
2,5
throne
tahun
room of
lah.
Canterlot Castle. But when Princess Cadance took over the Crystal Empire, we sent it here for her to watch over.
I had always hoped that Sunset Shimmer would someday use it to return, to come back to Equestria seeking my guidance. Obviously, this is not what has happened.
Twilight, you must use the mirror to go into this other world and retrieve your crown. Without it, the other elements of harmony have no power and Equestria is left without one of its most important means of defense.
Oh ya. Bagaimana Sensei Shimmer bisa tahu ada Elements of Harmony di sini di Crystal Empire, dan bagaimana dia bisa tahu kalau cerminnya ada di Crystal Empire, dan bagaimana dia bisa tahu ada Twilight maupun kamarnya di mana gitu.
You understand the importance of your task?
Of course.
Good. Then you must go at once.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! She's going. We're going with her.
Hey
Right,
girls,
I'm so nervous.
nervous excited.
You do realize that's not a real word, right?
I'm afraid I can't let you go.
What? Why not?
Sending all of you could upset the balance of this alternate world, creating havoc that would make it impossible for Twilight
Well,
to get
yeah.
the crown back from Sunset Shimmer. This is something Princess Twilight must do alone.
Apalagi kalau mereka
Time is
ada
of the
dua
essence.
gitu,
On
bakalan
the third
sangat
day, when the
membingungkan.
moon reaches its peak in the night sky, the gateway will close. And once it does, it will be another 30 moons before you will be able to use it to return.
It's all right, Twilight. You'll be back before you know it.
Great.
Dan Spike ikut.
Twilight?
Huh? Spike? You're not supposed to... Spike?
Yap, naga jadi anjing.
I think so. But I have no idea what you are.
Huh?
Jadi manusia ya Twilight.
get it together.
What does the rest of me look like?
Like you. Only not you. Your muzzle's really small.
My muzzle?
Are you gonna scream again? Where are we?
I don't know, but that must serve as the gateway back to Equestria. We need to find my crown as soon as possible and get back there. I suggest we start searching the castle first.
Works for me.
Dibilang istana gak tuh? Someone is watching.
I don't think that's how the new you is supposed to be.
Senang anjingnya, Cok. Mau juga kayaknya tuh.
Come on, Spike. I do not want to be like this for longer than I have to.
Well, look on the bright side. You don't have those pesky wings to worry about anymore.
My magic. It isn't working.
Makes sense. You don't exactly have your horn.
Yap.
What?
We really need to find you a mirror.
Well, sebenarnya kacanya ini bisa jadi cermin juga sih sebenarnya. Kecuali kalau benar-benar bening gitu. Sampai-sampai tidak ada bayangan tuh yang tertangkap di kacanya.
What do you think, Spike? Other artifacts she's stolen from Equestria? What am I?
Banyak karakter baru di sini ya. Dan ada Dementara, Silver Spoon. Bukankah dia mengingatkanmu dengan seekor poni di Equestria?
I don't think this is a castle.
Nope. Lagu kedua ya, setelah lagu openingnya. Hey. Apa yang dilihat tadi semua itu orang, coy? Charlie ya. Hey, final scratch. Photo finish. Scootaloo. Apple Bloom. Sweetie Belle. Oh, hell no. Ya, saya tahu ini suara siapa.
Well, I did, and I was about to get it before you swooped in and ruined everything. You shouldn't pick up things that don't belong to you.
It doesn't really belong to you either.
Excuse me?
Nothing.
That's what I thought. It's as good as mine, and you know it. You really are pathetic. It's no wonder your best friends are all stray animals.
How dare you speak to her that way?
What did you say?
I said, how dare you speak to her that way?
You must be new here. I can speak to anyone any way I want.
I can't believe you did that. I couldn't just stand there. Well, it's just that nobody ever stands up to Sunset Shimmer. Sunset
Yep.
Shimmer?
Sunset Shimmer. Sunshim.
You've heard of her? Sort of. I don't think I've seen you around before.
Did you just transfer to Canterlot High from another school?
SMA Canterlot ya.
Yes. Another school. My name's Twilight.
My name is Twilight.
I'm Fluttershy.
Iya,
Sorry, what
ini
was that?
adalah adegan yang sama dengan
Sounds like you're saying
My Little Pony
Fluttershy.
Friendship is Magic season 1 episode 1-nya ya.
Oh my
Yep.
goodness! Who's this sweet little guy?
That's Spike, my dog.
Oh, he's so cute. Go on, eat up, little pup. Oh, wouldn't you just give anything to know what they're really thinking?
He usually just tells me.
Oh, what do you mean?
Oh, nothing.
Cepat banget terbiasa ano ya.
Sunset Shimmer said
Spike
you
jadi
picked something
anjing.
up. Something that belonged to her. It wasn't a crown, was it?
How did you know?
Lucky guess? Do you still have it?
Mm-mm.
But you know what happened to it.
Mm-hmm. This morning, I was passing out flyers for the animal shelter like I do every Wednesday. Canterlot's animal shelter needs more volunteers. Won't you help an animal that can't help itself?
Capek banget saya rekaman 1 jam cok. Dan ini saya harus rekaman 1 jam lagi.
Ow! I have no idea how it got there, but I didn't want anything to happen to it, so I decided to give it to Principal Celeste.
Principal Celestia.
She's the ruler here?
You could say that. Technically, I guess she and Vice Principal Luna do make the rules.
Where is she now?
Probably in her office. Third door on your left.
Thank you.
Oh, wait! You're not really supposed to have pets on school grounds. Might want to tuck them into your backpack. That's what I do.
Bagaimana muat itu
They just
tasnya?
get so lonely
3
when I'm at
tuh.
school all
Dan ini
day.
masih belum apa-apa lagi karena ada video shortnya itu.
Thank you.
Oh no!
Fluttershy
I'm late for class.
punya hewan yang lebih banyak lagi. Dan ya, kalau kalian sadar itu tasnya Twilight
Man.
berubah. Tas kecil biru,
How may I help you?
padahal yang dibawa Twilight sebelum berangkat itu tas putih dan ada 2 gitu. Bahkan langsung ada pakaiannya muncul loh.
My name's Twilight Sparkle. I'm new here and, well, I understand that Fluttershy found a crown this morning and gave it to you.
Yes, I've had Vice Principal Luna put it somewhere for safekeeping. No idea how it ended up on the front lawn. Were you interested in running for Princess of the Fall Formal this year?
No, not exactly. The truth is, you see, the crown is actually Princess of the Fall Formal?
It's Canterlot High's Big Fall Dance.
Like the Grand Galloping Gala.
Grand Galloping Gala?
Oh, it was a big deal at my old
Mungkin agak mirip sih.
school.
Entahlah.
And was there a princess?
Yes, but
Sedikit
she
mirip
wasn't
lah.
exactly a student.
Here at Canterlot High, the students select one of their peers
Wow.
to represent them. She receives her crown at the Fall Formal.
You asked me if I was interested in running for princess. Can anyone run?
Yes, you just need to let the head of the Fall Formal Planning Committee know you'd like to be on the ballot. Was there anything else?
Nope. That was it.
Well, if you do need anything else, my door is always open.
My door is always open. Pintuku selalu terbuka dan tiba-tiba ditutup saja gitu.
I was going to. But imagine if one of them showed up in Equestria saying they came from a place filled with tall, fleshy, two-legged creatures with these. We'd think they were crazy.
You make a good point.
Looks like if I want my crown back, I'll have to become Princess of the Canterlot High Fall Formal. So that's what I'm gonna do.
That's the spirit.
And how exactly do you plan on doing that?
I have no idea.
Dan tidak punya rencana.
I know we've just met, but I was wondering if you might be able to help me with something.
Of course.
I've decided to run for Princess of the Fall Formal, and
No! Oh gosh! Sorry, it's just... Oh, running for Fall Formal Princess is a really bad idea.
why?
Sunset Shimmer wants to be Fall Formal Princess. And when she wants something, she gets it. She'll make life awful
Oh,
for
Granny
anyone who
Smith.
stands in her way. Just ask the girl who ran against her for Princess of the Spring Fling.
I have to try.
Oh, I don't think you understand.
Hey,
That
Trixie
convinced
ada di bawah
everyone
tadi
here
situ.
to vote for you instead of her. The athletes, the fashionistas, the dramas, the eco kids, the techies, the rockers.
Why is every pony... everybody
Yep.
separated this way?
Maybe it was different at your old school, but at CHS, everybody sticks to their own kind. One thing they do have in common is that they know Sunset Shimmer is gonna rule the school until we graduate.
Now
By the
I
way,
can help
sudah
it.
tahun berapa mereka itu? Sunset Shimmer dan yang lainnya. Tahun keberapa gitu?
So, where would I find the head of the party planning committee? Fluttershy said she'd probably be in here.
Incoming!
Oh, hai Pinkie Pie.
Hi, my name's Twilight Sparkle and
Saya baru sadar loh.
Pinkie Pie?
Itu balonnya di roknya diambil coy.
Are you psychic?
Dan
No,
tiba-tiba muncul
I don't
lagi.
think so. Unless, of course, that's something you can do here.
Dibilang dukung si Twilight coy.
Fluttershy said this is where I'd find the head of the Fall Formal Planning Committee.
Fluttershy, huh? Don't let the whole shy thing fool you. She can be a real meanie.
You two aren't friends?
Waited a bit to get your name on the ballot, huh? Dance is day after tomorrow.
I'm brand new here.
Ooh! I thought you didn't look familiar. So, now that I'm really looking at you, do you have a twin sister who lives in the city, has a pet dog
Yeah.
that looks just like that one?
Twilight yang nggak ada di dunia ini,
Maybe?
bukan dari
That's so.
Equestria.
Anywho, just need to fill this out and you are officially up for the coveted Princess of the Fall Formal Crown.
Pinkie Pie seperti biasa, baik di Equestria maupun di dunia ini, mengeluarkan sesuatu dari rambutnya.
Wow, you have really bad handwriting. It's like you never held a pen before.
Memang tidak pernah.
Is it?
Somebody order a dozen cases of fizzy apple cider.
Ooh, ooh, me. Yeah.
Hey, Applejack.
Can you bring in the rest?
Paling saya suka karakter desainnya dia yang di Equestria Girl ini si Applejack sama Twilight ya.
I know you.
You do?
Yang lainnya oke saja
You're the new
desainnya,
girl who
oke
gave
aja.
Sunset Shimmer the what
Tidak
for
buruk,
today.
oke saja.
Twilight Sparkle here is gonna run against Sunset Shimmer for Princess of the Fall Formal.
I'd think twice about that. Oh, sure, she'll probably approach you all friendly like. I sure am looking
Wow.
forward to some friendly
Kuat banget itu
competition.
balonnya ngangkat
So
Pinkie.
good to hear. But then, here comes the backstabbing. About the only girl at this school you can trust less than Sunset Shimmer is Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash?
She's the captain of like every team at Canterlot High.
She's also the captain that's saying she's gonna do something for you, and then turning around and not even bothering to show up.
Thanks for the advice, Applejack. But this is something I really need to do.
Huh? Suit yourself. Hey, how'd you know my name was Applejack?
Didn't you say?
Nope, gak bilang apa-apa.
Sure nice meeting you both. I'm sure I'll be seeing you around.
That one's trying to hide a secret, but I am totally onto her. She's psychic.
Dia dukun.
If you say so.
This looks terrible. There should be more streamers near the stage and fewer balloons.
Yeah! Streamers! And fewer balloons!
Fizzy apple cider? Ugh, this is my coronation, not a hoedown.
Well, now, it ain't necessarily gonna be your coronation this time around.
Oh, is that so? You country folk really aren't that bright. Must be why the other students say such awful things about you. Obviously, it's gonna be my coronation. I'm running unopposed.
Not this time. The new girl just signed up.
What?
I know. Her handwriting is really bad.
Where is this Twilight Sparkle?
Dan bagaimana kau tahu namanya Twilight Sparkle, Sunset?
Forward to meeting the competition. Can't believe I didn't recognize you earlier. Should have known Princess Celestia would send her prized pupil here after my crown. And her little dog, too.
It's my crown.
Whatever. This is just a minor setback for me. You don't know the first thing about this place, and I already rule it.
If that's so, why do you even need my crown? You went to an awful lot of trouble to switch it with the one that belongs here.
Pop quiz. What happens when you bring an element of harmony into an alternate world? You don't know?
Alternative
Seriously?
world.
And you're supposed to be
Dunia
Princess
alternatif ya.
Celestia's star student? Then again, what were the chances she'd find some pony as bright as me to take under her wing after I decided to leave Equestria?
Well,
Bit embarrassing that you were the best she could do. Oh, and I keep an eye
spoiler ya,
on
memang
not hate for him
Sunset ini
taken away from you.
kayak bisa jadi rivalnya memang Twilight ya.
Oh, of course not.
Sama-sama pintar dan
But I'd cut down
sebagainya.
on the chatter if I were you. Don't want everyone to know
Spoiler
you
di
don't
Offensive
belong
Games
here.
ya.
Now would you? You want to be a princess here? Please. You don't know the first thing about fitting in.
Apa yang terjadi sama ini Snip dan
I
Snail?
want you to follow her. Bring me something I can use just like you did with that last girl who thought she could challenge me.
You got it, Sunset Shimmer.
When the crown and its power are mine,
Alhamdulillah.
Twilight Sparkle will be sorry she ever set hoof into this world. Not that she would have been much safer if she'd stayed in Equestria.
Kayak berdebu banget ini kamar ya.
Equestria.
What are you still doing here? Go!
Excuse me.
The great and powerful Trixie!
The great and powerful Trixie.
Voila!
Voila.
Sunset Shimmer is right. I don't know the first thing about this place. If I'm gonna really fit in and win votes, we need to do some research.
Research?
This place has a school. I have to believe it's got a library.
Perpustakaan.
Got your phone? Got yours?
Oh my.
So, I just push the letters here, and then the words and moving pictures will come up here?
That's right.
Yep.
Maybe this place does have magic.
Hey, CMC. When you're a younger pony.
What are you doing?
We're just seeing how
Aduh, malah di stop di situ ya. Padahal saya mendengar mau bilang younger apa.
No, just... No! The school computers are for research purposes only.
It's just as well, y'all. Some of the comments about our song were really awful. Epic fail. Funniest thing I've ever seen? Funniest thing they've ever seen, huh? I don't know that that's what you should take from...
Oh no.
Whoa. Yeah. Ah.
Doh, kok bisa masuk di situ Snape the Snail?
The library will be closing in 5 minutes.
I hadn't even thought about where we're gonna sleep tonight. Way ahead of you.
It's a little dusty.
Little Dusty.
Doesn't seem like anybody
Sangat
comes up.
berdebu itu, bukan sedikit berdebu.
It's perfect, Spike.
So, how did your research go?
I found this book. It's called a yearbook. It seems to be something they use to keep a record of things that have happened at the school. Look, that's Pinkie Pie, Rainbow Dash, Applejack, Fluttershy, and I'm gonna bet the girl on the far right is Rarity.
There's a rarity here?
Oh, Spike.
I mean,
Sekarang kau adalah anjing,
photo.
dia adalah
It's
manusia.
interesting because they look like they're
Bahkan kalau di
friends.
Kustra itu
They do
si
look like our friends.
Spike itu
I
naga
thought we'd figure that out.
dan Rarity itu adalah
No,
poni.
I mean,
Gak bisa,
They look
gak
like
bisa.
they're friends with each other. But it doesn't seem like they're friends now.
Not so much.
I just can't help but get the feeling that Sunset Shimmer had something to do with it.
I wouldn't put it past her. But she wanted your crown because she's planning on doing something even worse. If you're gonna stop her, you have to focus on making friends here. You can't worry about why these girls aren't friends anymore. Even if they do remind you of your Ponyville friends.
You're right, Spike. Eye on the prize.
Good morning, students, and happy Thursday. Just a reminder to pick up your ballots for the Princess of the Fall formal today. They are due by the time the dance starts tomorrow night, so don't forget to turn them in and make your voice heard.
Fluttershy said I'd need to win over all those different groups if I want to become Princess of the Fall formal, so I've compiled a list of talking points.
You made a list?
Ya, karena
That's so
biasanya
unlike you.
ya bikin daftar itu Speksi.
Please, continue.
I'll start introducing myself. Sprinkle in some things I've learned about their world into the conversation. Show them how I fit in here. Okay, Spike. Time to make a good first impression on my fellow students. The whole world sort of depends on it.
Hey, look.
Why is everybody looking at me funny? Whoa! What did you... Rarity?
Perfect.
Oh, yes, this is good. No one will recognize you.
Why wouldn't I want to be...
And we'll need a disguise for your dog, which is too bad. He really is so adorable. You know, with a little work, I think I could make him look like a rabbit.
Spike.
A rabbit?
There you are, Twilight.
So much for the disguise.
I've been looking all over for you.
Me too. Me three. I like your new look.
I do have an eye for these sorts of things. Not that you seem to care.
What? Why do you think she doesn't care? No, never mind. Why were you all looking for me? What's going on?
Oh, she hasn't seen it yet.
Seen what?
Oh, it's really not that bad.
Twilight Sparkle wants to be your fall formal princess.
Oh
What
my.
does it say about our school if we give someone like this
Bro, itu air liurnya, bro.
such an important honor?
I take that back. It's pretty bad. But this all happened yesterday, at the library. Has everyone in the school seen this? Is that why they were all looking at me that way? What am I gonna do? No one is gonna vote for me after seeing this.
Not that it'll make any difference, but I'll still vote for you. You were so nice to stand up for me when Sunset Shimmer was picking on me yesterday.
If you still want to run, maybe there's something I can do to help.
Word of advice, don't accept her help. She doesn't take anything seriously.
Why do you have to be so awful to me?
Oh, don't play innocent, Pinkie Pie. You are no better than she is.
And what is that supposed to mean?
I am happy to offer up my assistance as well. To someone who would appreciate what I have to offer.
What will you have to offer?
Listen to y'all carrying on. Get over it and move on.
You mean like how you've gotten over what happened with Rainbow Dash?
She said she'd get the softball team to make an appearance at my bake sale. I tell everybody they're coming, and then not one of them shows up. She made a liar out of me. That's different.
It is not!
It's two.
I bet you appreciate it.
Stop! All of you! I want to show you something. You were friends once.
The freshman fair. Y'all remember?
Pameran murid baru.
But something happened. I think that something was Sunset Shimmer. Well, it's a nice theory, darling. But Sunset Shimmer had nothing to do with it.
She's right. Sunset Shimmer isn't the one who ruined my silent auction for the animal shelter by bringing fireworks and noisemakers. It was supposed to be a serious event, and Pinkie Pie ruined it. What are you talking about? I got a text from you saying that you didn't want a silent auction. You wanted a big party. I never sent you a text. You didn't?
You don't think she's the one who's been sending me those emails, do you? Every time I volunteer to help with the decorations at a school function, I get an email from Pinkie Pie saying she has plenty of volunteers. And then I find out she's done everything herself.
Well, I never sent you any emails.
Maybe she's the reason Rainbow Dash didn't show up for my bake sale.
Didn't you ever ask Rainbow Dash why she didn't show up?
I guess I kind of stopped talking to her at all after that.
Maybe now would be a good time to start. They're actually talking. That's a good sign.
Pelukan.
They're always good.
Sip juga ya.
Somebody, and I think
Apple
we
Dash.
can all guess who, told Rainbow Dash that my bake sale had been moved to a different day. Dash showed up with all the softball team and thought I'd canceled on her. So you're looking to dethrone Sunset Shimmer and become Princess of the Fall Formal, huh? Gotta say, I'd really love to see that happen. I'll totally help you out. All you gotta do is beat me in a game of one-on-one. What? First to 5 goals wins. 1 zip!
Yep, there is no way Twilight can win against Rainbow Dash. Tidak mungkin Twilight bakalan menang lawan Rainbow Dash. Tiga nol. Empat nol. Bagaimana Rainbow Dash ada di situ, coy? Padahal tadi ada di tengah lapangan Rainbow Dash sama Twilight.
That's game. I really thought you were gonna pull it off there in the end.
So, what's the plan? How can I help you be princess instead of Sunset Shimmer?
But I lost.
Of course you lost. I'm awesome. But I'm not gonna help just
Of
anybody
course you
try and be
lost.
Sunset
I'm
Shimmer.
awesome.
A fall formal princess should be someone with heart and determination. You proved that you got them both.
And can I get mine with extra oats?
Oats?
Scratch that. However you normally make it is fine.
Oh, we've got to stop bumping into each other like this.
ship juga sih sebenarnya.
Always
Tapi
trying to
banyak yang di
make
fandom
splash
itu tidak
around
suka
here.
Flash Henry ya.
'Cause my drink kinda splashed on the ground.
No.
I'm gonna go over there now.
Don't even think about it.
Yep, don't
You're already trying to
don't
get
even
around.
thinking about
Who
it.
knows what Sunset Shimmer would do if you ended up getting her ex-boyfriend too?
I'm not trying to. I don't even know. We just accidentally. Ex-boyfriend?
Flash Sentry broke up with her a few weeks ago. I can't believe she hasn't done something awful to him yet.
Maybe she's just waiting until she has the power to do something really awful.
All right, girls. Dance is tomorrow night, and we still don't know how we're gonna get Twilight the vote she needs to be named princess. Right now, folks only know the Twilight from the video Sunset Shimmer posted online. We need to help them see her differently.
Perhaps I have a solution. Now, this may be an absolutely preposterous idea, but what if we all wore these as a sign of unity? Freshman year, they were very, very popular. A way for everybody to show their school spirit. You know, go
Control out Wonder Colts.
I haven't sold any in ages.
Oh.
I mean, the five of us are obviously very different, but deep down, we're all Tantalus Wonder Colts. Sunset Shimmer is the one who divided us. Twilight Sparkle is the one who united us. And we're gonna let everyone know it. What do you think?
Spike, no. Oke, ini adalah lagu favorit saya ya, salah satunya. Saya bakalan ikut nyanyi ya, walaupun suara saya mungkin tidak terlalu bagus ya. Dan kemungkinan bakalan ada beberapa liriknya yang salah nanti ya, tapi saya coba ikuti saja ya, sebisa saya. Hey, hey, everybody, we got something to say. We may seem as different as the night is from day, but if you look a little deeper, and you will see that I'm just like you, and you're just like me, yeah. Hey, hey, everybody, we're here to show that the magic of friendship, it's what it's all about, yeah. We did the world different as the night from the day, until twilight sparkle help us see another way. So get up, get down, if you're gonna come around, we can work together, helping Twilight win the crown. So get up, get down, cause it's gonna make a sound. If we work together, helping Twilight Sparkle win the crown. Hey, hey, hands up now, message to the crowd. Hands up, then come down, we party together all around. Generous honesty, laughter, kindness, loyalty, all help us to see all that we can be. So get up, get down, if you're gonna come around. If you work together, helping Twilight Sparkle. So get up, get down, cause it's gonna make a sound. If we work together, helping Twilight Sparkle win the crown. I'm gonna be myself, no matter what I do. And if it's different, yeah, makes it to be true, you. If you follow me, we'll put our differences aside. We'll stick together, working on, and start working on that school pride. Jump up, make a sound, hoops, stir around. Start now, make a dance, gonna come around. Jump up, make a sound, hey, step and hoops, stir around. Control out Wonder Colors, help her win the crown. Jump up, make a sound, hey, Stepping hoops to run, start now, make a change, gonna come around, jump up, make a sound, hey, jumping hoops to run, Canterlot, wonderful, help her win the crown, jump up, make a sound, hey, stepping hoops to run, start now, make a change, gonna come around. Full versionnya ada di YouTube, channel YouTube-nya nih ya, Mel telepon ya.
Take those off! I have something I need you to do.
By the way, tadi itu pertama kalinya kita melihat matanya final scratch ya, warna matanya juga.
Doesn't everyone look just fabulous?
It was a great idea, Rarity.
Don't know what she's smiling about. Twilight's the one that's gonna be Princess of the Fall Formal.
Vice Principal Luna, something terrible has happened. Isn't this just awful? And after Pinkie Pie worked so hard to make things so perfect, why would Twilight
Aduh,
Sparkle
actingnya
do something
Sunset.
like this?
Why would you think Twilight was responsible for something like this?
Because I have proof.
But I don't understand.
This is clearly you in the photographs, is it not?
Yes, but
I think it should be fairly obvious that the school cannot let someone who would do something like this compete for the fall formal crown.
Vice Principal Luna, I found these in a trash can in the library. Thought you should see them. Someone obviously
Kenapa Sunset Shimmer tidak pakai Photoshop saja? Dan sempurna banget itu anunya itu, dan guntingannya tuh.
In light of this
Dan
new evidence,
seharusnya di fotonya
you
itu
may,
ada
of course,
tekstur
continue
tertentu
your bid
tuh.
to
Kalau
be
misalnya
crowned Princess of the Fall Formal.
digunting baru ditempel
thank
gitu.
you. You have no idea how important this is to me.
What was it gonna do? Not prove your innocence? Wouldn't be much of a Canterlot Wondercold, would I?
I am afraid enough damage has been done to the gym that we will have to postpone the dance until tomorrow night. If you will excuse me, I need to let my sister know about this latest development.
So, I was wondering, if you aren't already going with somebody, want to go to the fall formal with me tomorrow night?
That would be tomorrow night? No, 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 no! I can't. The portal. That'll be too late.
One no would have been fine.
For Flash Sentry.
Everything okay in there?
Yes. Only it's not okay. It's not okay at all. If I don't get my crown tonight, I won't be able to go back to Equestria for another 30 moons. What are we gonna do?
Tell them the truth. Let them know what's really at stake if you don't get the crown tonight. They'll help us figure something out.
But what if they won't? What if when they find out just how different I really am?
Twilight, these girls rallied around you because they saw what was in your heart. They aren't going to feel any differently about you when they find out you're a pony princess in Equestria.
I'm glad you followed me here, Spike.
Me too. Unless, of course, we get stuck here for another 30 moons.
You okay?
The fall formal isn't happening tonight. It had to be postponed because Sunset Shimmer had Snips and Snails ruin all of Pinkie Pie's decorations. But the fall formal has to happen tonight.
Wah. Langsung dipotong sama Applejack.
You see, you're from an alternate world and you're a pony princess there, and the crown actually has a magical element embedded in it that helps power up other magical elements, and without it, they don't work anymore, and you need them to help protect your magical world. And if you don't get the crown tonight, you'll be stuck in this world, and you won't be able to get back for like a really, really long time.
Ya, di sini yang beneran dukun adalah
Sure that isn't.
Pinkie Pie ya.
Nope, she's pretty much spot on.
He can talk.
Dan
Oh yeah.
bagaimana dia bisa tahu?
I'm not even a dog. I'm a
Well,
ferocious
it's Pinkie,
fire-breathing
don't question it.
dragon.
Ini Pinkie, jangan ditanya lagi.
This is so amazing. Tell me, what are you thinking right now?
love to scratch behind the old ears.
Gah.
Ya.
Maybe later.
How did you know all that? Just a hunch.
Wait a minute. Let me get this straight. You're a pony?
Yes.
You're a princess?
Yes.
You're from another world?
Yes.
That is
Awesome!
Oh, wow! What else can I talk?
See? Told ya.
I simply cannot believe they did all this.
If I only had some kind of party cannon
Party
that could decorate
cannon?
everything super
Hmm.
fast. I know it seems impossible, but
You will have
maybe if we
it.
all work together.
Now that's the kind of can-do spirit I'm looking for in a fall formal princess. Let's do it, y'all!
Lagu keempat kayaknya ini ya.
Yes, indeedly.
Yeah.
It's time for us to come together. It's the only way that things will get better. It's time for us to take a stand. So come on and lend a helping hand. Fix it up, yeah, it's alright. We'll get it ready by tonight. Mix it up, yeah, help a friend. We'll come together in the end. It's time to show that we've got school spirit. Raise your voice and let everyone hear it.
Kuat banget Applejack coy.
That we're strong. So come on everybody.
That disgusting Pinkie Pie.
Look how we've all come together. Things are only just starting to get better. Look how we've all come together. Things are only gonna get better.
Everyone works together. Semuanya bekerja sama ya.
This looks so good!
All right, everyone. Fall formal is back on for this evening. So you better get out of here and start getting ready. Oh, and don't forget to cast your ballots for Fall Formal Princess on your way out.
You got my vote, Twilight.
Mine too. Mine too. Mine too. You're lucky she was able to pull this off. Next time I ask you to make a mess of things, try to show a little restraint. I need this formal to go on tonight just as much as she does.
I still can't believe we pulled that off.
I can. We're awesome.
Enough chatting.
We're awesome.
Ready? We need to look fabulous.
This is our big
Oke, ini lagu ke-5 kah?
We're getting ready and we're doing it all right.
Aduh, apa ini Rainbow Dash?
Friendship survive, now we'll start it out right. The time's right, gonna make it last 'cause it's
What is that?
that we're ever gonna start
Di Kamena
together.
untuk beberapa detik.
Glad, so happy we could never be mad. Did it right.
Spike, you don't need those.
Right now, 6 friends on the way up now. 6 friends here to show.
Bro, saya baru sadar Pinkie Pie pakai parfum sampai pink banget juga.
We're getting ready and we're doing it all right. This is our big night. We made it happen, now let's party all night.
Yang paling bagus tetap anu si Applejack ya.
Big night. This is our big night.
Not bad kalau untuk Twilight. Wow, nice car, Flash Sentry.
Look, I know you said no about going to the fall formal with me, but would you reconsider and at least have one dance?
I didn't say no. I mean, I did, but I didn't mean no to you. Well, what I mean is, I'd love to dance with you.
Window. Outdoor. Bro, chicken dance kayak itu. Aduh, seketelu. Gitu amat deh dance semuanya. Dance apa semua yang di yang. Well, kadang sih memang saya joget-joget random juga sih sebenarnya.
Won by a landslide. Maybe.
First off, I want to say how wonderful everything looks tonight. You all did a magnificent job pulling things together after the unfortunate events of earlier. And now, without further ado, I'd like to announce the winner of this year's Fall Formal Crown. The princess of this
Dan by the way,
year's Fall Formal is...
bisa-bisanya nih mahkotanya Twilight dijadikan properti sekolah. Padahal bukan punyanya sekolah gitu.
Congratulations, Twilight.
Twilight, help! Spike? They've got Spike!
Ya lain cuma menonton gitu, melihat. Gak ada yang bantuin gitu.
That's close enough.
Banyak, waduh.
Twilight! Don't hurt him!
Oh, I wouldn't dream of it. I'm not a monster.
Banyak sih orang yang mengira
Let him go.
Sensei Shimmer mau pakai ini palu untuk memukul
You don't belong here.
main six di
Give
sini
me
ya.
the crown, and you can go back to Equestria tonight. Or keep it and never go home. Tick-tock, Twilight. We haven't got all night. The portal will be closing on its own in less than an hour. So,
Ya karena ini kartun anak-anak ya nggak bakalan brutal gitu sih. Kalau misalnya ini
No.
kartun untuk orang dewasa, aduh,
Equestria, your friends.
udah dipukul
lost you
sama
forever.
Sunset Shimmer.
Don't you see what I'm about to
Pakai
do
itu
to the
palu.
portal?
Yes, but I've also seen what you've been able to do here without magic. Equestria will find a way to survive without my element of harmony. This place might not, if I allow it to fall into your hands. So go ahead, destroy the portal. You are not getting this crown.
Fine. You win.
You are so awesome.
Can't believe you were gonna do
Mukanya
that
Rainbow
for
Dash.
us.
It's no wonder you're a real-life princess.
Oh, yes, she's so very special.
Grab him, you fool! Spike! Spike! Ladder shot!
Ya dari mana itu talinya?
I'll take that. At last. More power than I could ever imagine. This is gonna be so cool! I've had to jump through so many hoops tonight just to get my hands on this crown, and it really should have been mine all along. But let's let bygones be bygones. I am your princess now, and you will be loyal to me.
Trekan itu lagi kah? Yang beli sering banget dipakai tuh trekan itu. Saya lupa nama trekannya. Diubah jadi zombie semuanya. Kecuali Snip dan Snail.
Spoiler alert! I was bluffing when I said I was going to destroy the portal. I don't want to rule this pathetic little high school. I want Equestria. And with my own little teenage army behind me, I'm going to get it!
No, you're not.
Oh, please. What exactly do you think you're going to do to stop me? I have magic, and you have nothing.
She has us.
Gee, the gang really is all back together again. Now step aside. Twilight has tried to interfere with my plans one too many times already. She needs to be dealt with. What?
And here we go, the magic of friendship.
The magic contained in my element was able to unite with those that helped create it.
Hey.
Honesty.
Makin cute aja Applejack.
Kindness.
Makin imut juga semuanya.
Laughter. Generosity. Loyalty.
Dan cepat banget ya Rainbow Dash bisa terbiasa dengan sayapnya, padahal Twilight susul banget
Create a
gitu.
power beyond anything you could imagine. But it is a power you don't have the ability to control. The crown may be upon your head, Sunset Shimmer, but you cannot wield it, because you do not possess the most powerful magic of all, the magic of friendship.
The magic of friendship. Oh tidak, pelanginya. Ikutan pelangi coy.
Here and in Equestria, it is the only magic that can truly unite us all.
Walaupun mereka punya kayak telinga poni, tapi mereka yang unicorn tidak punya tanduk gitu. Mungkin karena kalau dilihat dari desainnya mungkin bakalan jelek sih kalau ada tanduknya, jadi tidak diberi tanduk gitu. Sudah bisa terbang aja sih Rainbow Dash. Deh yang gosong cow, Sunset Shimmer. Sunset Shimmer is cook.
You will never rule in Equestria. Any power you may have had in this world is gone. Tonight, you've shown everyone who you really are. You've shown them what is in your heart.
I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know there was another way.
The magic of friendship doesn't just exist in Equestria. It's everywhere. You can seek it out, or you can forever be alone. The choice is yours.
But all I've ever done since being here is drive everyone apart. I don't know the first thing about friendship.
I bet they can teach you.
Those are my girls! Woohoo!
Did that dog just talk? Whoa, weird.
Seriously?
Dari semua apa yang
Talking dog is the weird thing
dari
about
semua
all
apa yang
this?
tadi
I, for one,
malah ada yang dibilang aneh cuma
Oh yeah.
Spike yang bisa bicara
I believe
gitu.
This belongs to you. A true princess in any world leads not by forcing others to bow before her, but by inspiring others to stand with her. We have all seen that you are capable of just
Oh, iya.
that.
By the way, banyak juga kayaknya kalau tidak salah yang tidak suka karakter desainnya
I do.
Principal Celestia dengan Vice Principal Luna.
Now,
Saya juga
would be
sih
a
tidak terlalu
completely
suka
awkward
ya.
time to ask you for that dance.
Ah,
Our big night. We made it happen, now let's party all night. We're here now and we work so hard to make it come around
hey,
tonight. So let's try to make it last forever. The school lights so bright.
Rainbow Dash yang skut dulu.
Through the night, party starting
What is that dance?
just right. Six friends on the way up now. Six friends here to show you how. This is our big night. This is our big night. This is our big night.
You'll look out for her, won't you?
Of course we will. Although I do expect some sort of apology for last spring's debacle.
I have a feeling she'll be handing out a lot of apologies.
We better get going.
I know we've only been friends for a short time, but I'm gonna miss all of you so much.
That crown really does suit you, Princess Twilight.
You know what, Spike? I am starting to feel a little more comfortable wearing it.
And the wings?
I've been walking on two legs and picking things up with these. Wings? I'm thrilled that's all I'll be dealing with back in Equestria.
Yep, gerbangnya sudah tertutup. But this is not over yet.
Oh, bummer.
We're gonna see them in the next movie.
Twilight. Oh, you're back. You got your crown. I knew you could do it.
Oh, we were so worried.
Sunset Shimmer, is she all right?
I think she's going to be fine. I left her in good
Mana Spike?
hands.
What are hands?
Kenapa tidak tahu tentang tangan? Oke, itu Spike ya.
Where did you stay?
What did they wear?
Did you have fun?
What'd you eat?
Would you say she's just as awesome as me? I want to tell you everything. I do. But I'm just so exhausted from all the dancing.
Dancing?
Whoa,
Ah, ini dia pleasantry.
we've got to stop bumping into each other like this.
Who is that? He's a new member of the Castle Guard. Flash Sentry, I think.
Ya,
Why? Do you know him?
Not exactly.
Ooh, some pony's got a crush on the new guy.
No, I don't.
She does. She absolutely does.
Don't be ridiculous. I don't even know him. He just totally reminds you of a guy you met in the other world who played guitar and was in a band and helped prove he didn't destroy all the decorations for a big dance so you could still run for princess of the big dance and then ask you to dance at that dance? Right?
ah, Pinky.
How'd you know that? Just a hunch.
Pinky. It's Pinky, don't question it. capek cuy. Wah, duduk di sini 2 jam. Karena ini rekaman kedua ya. Ending.
I couldn't see what was right there in front of me. Turned my back and my mind off track. Yeah, you saw a world that was something new entirely. Helped me to see all the possibilities. Oh, like a star in the daylight, or like a diamond.
Kebanyakan lagunya dari ya, Daniel Ingram ya.
Light was hidden from my side. A friend for life, that's what you are to me. A friend for life, that's what you are to me. Every friendship is tested. You say you're sincere, but it's all unclear now. But with the word, everything changes, and just like that, you and I are right back. Oh, like a star in the daylight, or like a diamond in the night. The light will
Aduh,
shine.
ini nama anunya
It's right.
The and Rogerson Studio.
That's what you are to me. A friend for life. That's what you are to me. When I put my hands out and I thought I would fall, you knew what I needed and you came around to fix it all. A friend for life. That's what you are to me. A friend for life. That's what you are to me. A friend for life. That's what you are to me.
Hey, Dumpy.
A friend for life. That's what you are to me. That's what you are to me.
Oke, tidak ada after credit scene ya. Jadi itu adalah My Little Pony Equestria Girls Movie ya. Wah, capeknya rekaman cuy. 2 kali pula tuh. Dan ya, itu adalah video untuk kali ini. Sampai jumpa di season keempat dari My Little Pony ya, Princess Magic. Selanjutnya ada itu ya. Dan untuk video kali ini, jika kalian suka, jangan lupa untuk like, comment, share, dan subscribe ya. Dan jika kalian ingin mendukung saya, kalian bisa lewat Patreon, Seleri, ataupun Traktir yang linknya ada di deskripsi. Dan jika kalian ingin bergabung ke server Discord saya, linknya juga ada di deskripsi. Dan sampai jumpa di next video. Free Palestine, bye.